Hi adorables. Now I'm going to show you one video what we shot a couple of days before Suzie was giving birth. Now I'm preparing for visit Suzie and our baby, and we have doors now. You can see we have doors now. That's how it looks, and this door looks something like that. And we have all doors. We have doors here. And now I'm cleaning house. I'm cleaning house because it's very dirty. After work with doors. And I'm use two vacuum cleaners here. I use modern vacuum cleaner from Germany and old ancient vacuum cleaner from Soviet Union, and it's still working. Okay. Yes, I have seen my baby. Yes, I have seen. You could remember that doctors in that clinic, they don't let me see my baby. And after many talkings, after all tests, they let me see my baby for 2 hours. And I'm going to show you this video next after next. Next after next. Next video will be about how we visited Ikea in Russia. And it was a couple of days before Suzie was giving birth. We have this video material, and I could not show you something more. That's why I'm going to upload this video about Ikea. It's not old, it's not ancient video. It's a couple of days before Suzie was giving birth. And after that video, I'm going to show you our baby, how I was visiting room with Suzie and our baby. Have a nice day, evening and morning, adorables. Thank you very much for watching. See you later. Hi adorables.
Hi.
You asked us to have we Ikea in Russia. Yes, we have. We have Ikea, and now we are going to show you Russian Ikea.
Let's go.
Let's go. Now we are at the first room in Ikea, and you can see bedrooms here and small kitchen. Are you comfortable? Good. Okay. A living room and kitchen and bedrooms here. There are a lot of prices. Some people live here, then store is closed. $20. This bed costs $200. $200. But we
What material?
have already bought. But we have already bought the bed for our baby. And we have already bought something like this. Mobile. We will show you. Okay. Самовар. Русское слово. Самовар. Guys. I think you know some Russian words. You know bear, медведь, vodka, балалайка, матрешка, and of course самовар и сковородка.
Каких любимое слово? Сковородка.
Сковородка и самовар. And this is samovar. Samovar. It's for tea, for herbals, and after bath. It very good after bath, after sauna, after sauna. We are going forward. Wow, awesome room, guys. So modern, very modern. Look at that color, orange, maybe chocolate. Suzie, how it? You are good? Very soft? Okay. I like this. And we are coming to another room. It's small room. Like at home. I very enjoyed to come to Ikea because you can sit in here, you can walk in here, and you can sleep in here. Like at home. I think in this life I'm architector.
Oh.
Baby, I'm architector here.
Yeah. Is it what?
This is my workplace.
Okay.
And I have teapot here. I have cups. Bring me a tea, please. I have a view from the window. And I don't know what I have there. Yes, very cozy room.
Уютно.
Sit here. I think it's very soft.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh.
Baby, just have a relax. She will sleeping.
She's really hungry.
Very amazing. So amazing. Зеркало. Mirror. Mirror. Yes, it's mirror. Yes. And
This kitchen like our.
there are a lot of rooms, a lot of kitchens here. They're adorable. So we will not come to each room because there are too much rooms here. We just go forward, okay? And we will visit only the most interesting rooms here. I don't know where is Suzie. I need to find Suzie. Where is Suzie? Okay. Wow, nice room. Dog. Oh my god. I think it's real dog. Good boy. TV. And another room here. It's a room for children. Dinner. and many children's stuff here. Okay, it's like a world in the world. It looks like some family lives here, and they put it here, and they waiting for guests. You know?
I like.
Yes, I like this. Wow, it's aluminium. It's metal,
Yes.
not plastic. Yes, very good. And how much is it? How much it? It is $40.
Для бездомных собак, чтобы их забирали отсюда. Это
My
очень
name
хороший-
is Virginia. I am homeless dog, and you can get me to our home. Just call. This organization, it's a Krasnodar. This organization who put this dog here, it is a organization who find homeless dogs and help them. I have already told you about organization what we have in our town, which helps homeless dogs and cats. And in this city, in the Krasnodar, they have the same organization which helps homeless dogs and cats. And usually we help them. We give them money. We give them money.
Это категория, это реальные фото, разные фото собак везде
Yeah,
стоят.
yes, and it's real photo.
Реал
In
дог.
this organization, they have this homeless dog, and you can get this dog. This dog. I think it's a very important акция. It's a very important job. They put these dogs in Ikea and finding owners. Yes, you can see, you can get this dog. You just need call to this number and you will get this dog. Okay? My name is Aza. I'm very active and funny. I like walking. It's my favorite spend time walking. Please take me to home. Take me to your home. You can get this. It's homeless dog too.
Honey,
And-
I think this very good idea, because when people buy things,
Yes.
maybe
They have-
people, men see and think, oh yes, I can help this dog.
Yes.
Very good idea. I like it.
You are building house, maybe your apartment, and you come here to buy some things for your home, and maybe you need dog or cat. Yes, it's a very good. I don't know how it will be in English. Акция. Good акция.
Sociable.
It's social action from this company, from this organization, Krasnodar. Yes. They have.
Самое, что мне сегодня понравилось.
Yes, it's very. It's very. I don't know, guys. My English is too bad for this thing. I cannot tell you my feelings, guys. I cannot, because I haven't such words for it.
Yeah, maybe in this store it is something нужная вещь. Вот это. Some very, very important thing. This.
In Russia, we said if you help homeless dog, the world cannot change. The world will not change if you will help homeless dog. The world will not change. but the life of this dog will change. The world will not change if you get homeless dog, but life of this dog will change forever. So you can see another room. It's very authentic. I like this image here. Leonardo da Vinci. Impressive. And another style, very authentic, I think. You can see Suzie is boring and she is tired a little. She's tired. You can see Suzie is so funny. Suzie! Suzie, you're so funny with your miracle egg. Okay. You can see this table. We have the same from Ikea. You could see it from our videos. We have the same table. I will tell you for true. This table is not good quality. In this store is Ikea. In Ikea, they have very good quality goods, and they have worse quality goods. It's depend from money. It's depend from price. If price high, like this, it's wood, high price. And if price cheap, like our table, it's shit. You can see kitchens here. Beautiful kitchen. Я забыл, как будет чугун. Чугун.
Very hard.
It's from cast iron, guys. Cast iron.
Oh!
It's very heavy. Very heavy. Not for your arms. It's for men.
Okay, you cook.
Very heavy cast iron. Old school.
And safe. No, не safe, безопасный.
And safe. This is safe goods. Another kitchen, guys. It's a minimalism, modern style. High tech in Russia. Very many names for this style. Very cozy room, guys. You can see. And you can see people are walking there. Very many people here because we come on weekend. Suzie, I'm here, Suzie. I'm here, baby. Please sit down and have a rest. You need to have a rest. It's not alive. It's just a plastic. I thought that it's a live tree here, but not.
I like to see people.
Yep. I don't wanna go outside. I want to stay here But we need to go, baby. Okay. Let's go, baby. Let's go.
Very American. I think this kitchen very American style, yes?
Oh yeah, guys, tell us. We think that this kitchen, you will like it. Some American style here, yes? How do you think?
I think yes.
How do you think, guys from USA? Is this American
Alright.
style? Because we know that you like the table in the center of your kitchen.
I like to.
We like it too, but we have small area and we can't do this. But we know that in America many people like this, and it's a usual thing. Table with this stuff in center of your kitchen, like that.
Breakfast time is.
Yes,
Honey,
breakfast
Give
time.
me my oatmeal porridge, please. Oh, thank
Porridge.
you.
Oh,
Oh,
oh.
this my size, honey.
And the living room behind us. We watch many YouTube bloggers from USA, and we know that in USA you like walls white or light gray, just natural tones, natural colors, you know. And I think it's usual USA apartment here. Maybe I'm wrong. Tell me, maybe I'm wrong, but I think it's like in the USA here.
This is a man's kitchen.
It's a kitchen of guys. We think that it's bachelor's kitchen. You know? It's new word for me, bachelor's kitchen. Just for only one man. Bachelor's kitchen. Just black, just in style. You can see bachelor's kitchen. Yes. Wow! And now we are going to show you English
England.
kitchen in Great Britain style.
We think.
Yes. How it looks. I don't know why, but we think that this kitchen like in Great Britain. I don't know why, but we think. You know? Yes, dark green color. And
Rich color.
everywhere is classic style. Everywhere.
Yes.
You know, wood, this. What do you think, guys from Great Britain? You can see this beautiful table here for 6 persons, and you can see, you can put here 2 persons, and it will be 8-person table. So classic. It's a Christmas dinner, I think.
Green, gold,
Green,
red.
gold, red. It's like an.
Christmas colors.
We can wrong, but we think that it's a Great Britain color, you know.
Honey, let's go find. We found Australian kitchen.
Yeah, they have Australian kitchen here.
I don't know. Let's go. Искать.
You just joke.
Let's go found.
And designers are here. They sitting. You can choose materials here for your future kitchen. You can choose all materials here. You can see doors, many colors, and this stuff: silver, gold, white, black. Just have a money. They have all stuff, but just have a money. You can see that in Russia the common thing is a refrigerator with one door. You can see just one door. we know that in USA you respect two doors refrigerator, you know? Yes. Of course you know, because you USA people. We saw that in the most common USA apartments you have two doors refrigerator, but in Russia usually we have one door because we have not a lot of space in kitchen. That's why one door. If you have a lot of area in your kitchen, of course you will have two doors refrigerator. We saw that in USA you usually have six. You have this thing, six. But in Russia, in common things, we have only four. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and all the same. Not six. It will difficult to find in Russia six things. Wow, very cute bear here. Very cute bear here. So many tables. We need a table to our living room. We have not already chosen the table to our living room. There are a lot of tables here. Lovely room, baby, my lovely room there. It's a bachelor, yes? It's a bachelor room here, just for men, maybe teenagers. You can see teenagers love it. Bachelor's room here. And guys are sitting, they have a rest. Yes, good room for teenagers here. Bachelor's room here and heaven for girl, for woman.
Very cute. And
very cute.
cozy.
Cozy. Yes. And baby bed here. Baby head. What is it? I don't know why. For what?
I don't know.
Okay. The girl will sitting here and making makeup, you know? Yes? Suzie. Suzie. Карапузи. Okay, let's go. Serious style, classic style, you know. And another room with elephants and with dog. And bathroom here. They have very amazing things and they have not amazing things here. Guys, look at that. Pandas here. I love pandas. Who don't like pandas, yes? Who don't like? Everyone loves pandas. Another room. And another room. And another room. Young parents, I think. And another room. Next room here. I think I need wide angle camera. I am shooting for you today and I'm thinking that I need a wide angle camera. And I need to choose what will be my next smartphone, Apple or Samsung. I'm choosing a smartphone with wide angle camera now. And I cannot choose. Whoa, so many people here. So many people here today. They like pandas. They like pandas. And sharks. I don't know, there is Suzie. I need to call her. I don't know, I cannot find her. Okay, I will call her. Okay guys, I called to Suzie and she said that she is in restaurant. It's far, far away from me. Baby department. You can see a lot of toys here. Dogs. Little dogs. Little bears. Husky. Pandas. Dogs. And snake. Yes, that snake. One guy from Florida. Hi to Florida. Hi adorables. From Florida and other states and other countries. You are all adorables. And some guy, he sent the photo to us that some snake came to his backyard. It was bigger than that, a lot bigger than that. And he said me, that's how size of snakes we have in Florida. Then in Florida you can be food to snakes. Oh my god. And I think this girl like dinners too. You can see a huge mountains of sharks. Guys, I wanna jump there. Guys, I wanna jump there, inside of this mountain. I have a dog here. Bring me to your home. My name is Alisa. One famous writer, he said in ancient times that the level of humanity of your country depends from have you homeless dog or you don't have. If you have homeless dogs, level of humanity in your country is very low, very low. And if you don't have homeless dogs, the level of your humanity of your country it's huge, it's very high. And I'm agree with him. Okay, I need to find Suzie. I think she said that she is in restaurant. Of course. Yeah, of course. She's eating. She is already eaten, you know. She is eating now. Hey, baby. Hi.
I want a sweet.
Oh, baby.
Если ты потерял Сузи, ищи ее где еда.
If you lost Suzie, you just need to go to restaurant or cafe and you will find her there.
I have sweet.
$2, $2. $1 and half dollar, $2, $1 and half dollar, $1, $2. We are entering to the kitchen department. You can see a lot of skовородkas here. It's a heaven for women, I think. These skовородkas are bad. It's you will get cancer if you will cook on this skоворodka. You need stainless steel or cast iron, not this. They have a lot of this. It's danger for your health. It's very dangerous for your health. This. You need cast iron or stainless steel. A lot of plates here, a lot. this. We need plates and we need knives. We need it from stainless steel. Okay. 24 things here. Do you like it? I think it's pretty good. Whoa, 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 whoa. I think it's for rap singers, you know? Rap singers, hip hop. Yo, yo, yo. It's for rap singers. She wants this, I want this. And you can see the difference here. Or this style.
Of course this.
If Suzie said this, I have not another arguments. Because her voice like two my voices. Beautiful glasses for vodka. Do you like vodka?
I never taste.
You are not Russian. For blue vodka. If you don't like vodka, you are not Russian, baby.
I'm a гейка вообще-то.
Ah, you are not Russian, okay. Maybe you don't know, but Suzie she's not Russian. And no, I'm not joke. It's not joke. She's not Russian. Because in Russia we have many nationalities, we have many nations. And if you speak Russian, it's not mean that you are Russian.
Like Arabian style, yes?
Yes, like Arabian style.
Morocco, Marrakesh.
And miracle egg here. Yes, I like this style. Is a DJ girl. She's not Russian. Yes. Yes, we speak Russian. But in Russia we have many nations. Many. Hundreds.
In Caucasian.
And in Caucasian we have many nations here. And
Adige Republic.
Adige Republic, yes.
Dagestan.
Dagestan, yes.
Chechnya.
Okay. And Suzie is Adige girl. She is Caucasian girl, Adige girl. По-русски она адыгейка. In Russian we call it адыгейка, адыгеец. If it man, адыгеец. If it woman, адыгейка. And she is адыгейка. She know this language. She know not only Russian, you know.
I speak Adige language, Russian, and
A little English. Something on Adige language.
Yes, of course.
Okay, tell me.
Shakos on the fire.
What?
Sishak was on the fire.
What? The joke that I don't understand her language. She can talk Adige language and I don't know this language. You know, she can speak Russian and Adige language.
Loser, major loser.
Loser, major loser. Too vague, too desperate. Yes. Lighting department. You can see a lot of bulbs here. You teach me this word, bulbs. I didn't know this word. I call it light, and you teach me that it is bulb. Whoa. You are not from Earth. Wow. Beautiful. A lot of lighting, a lot of bulbs here, and I like this style. It's something from future. You can see this. Incredible. Wow. Very atmospheric, and another atmospheric, and another atmospheric lighting here. Wow. Wow. It's for clothes, guys, it's for clothes. Guys, I need to go fast because it's not ending. I'm going and it's not ending. I need to go fast. Okay. Suzie. I found her. And it is a department for chill out. This image have something, I think.
Honey,
What?
do you like this? This?
Yes. Pretty nice. Not bad.
Not bad.
But I think it's more. It have more mood, more funny mood. These images are beautiful, but they have a little sad mood. And these two, but this image have very bright, funny mood. I like it. I like this style. But now, guys, I wanna show you my favorite image here. Look at see. It is my favorite. Yellow taxis and stores and many lighting advertisement here, and this street, I think it is in New York City.
Suzie, or eat or relax.
Suzie, or eat or relax. Okay.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Easy,
Okay.
easy, easy.
Okay, I will sit here. Hi.
Hi, Doorbells.
Hi, Doorbells.
I think I in Florida or California or San Diego and relax in the beach or in the ocean, or maybe backyard and sunny, shining and very warm, and I drink.
Okay, she's dreaming. Okay, Ikea is ending, and we are walking in the storage. You know, I think you call it storage. Guys, did you see the film Indiana Jones?
All parts.
The first part. In the end, they put Ковчег Завета. Yes. In the end of the first part, Indiana Jones, they put Ark of Covenant into the big storage in maybe in area 51. Yes, we know about area 51 in USA, and who knows, maybe this Ark of Covenant in this Ikea storage. It's just a joke, of course. It's modern, but I think there are a lot of secrets in these secret storages, like Area 51.
I think in Russia too have something storage.
Yes, our military have storages like that. Okay, we are going.
Место имеет название у нас нет.
We are going to the exit.
Yeah.
Okay, this is the exit from Ikea. Okay, guys, come here. Where is light? Okay, guys. Давай тут станем.
Okay, guys.
Best wishes to USA, Canada, Australia,
United Kingdom, Ireland, Kenya, Africa, all countries.
all countries, Europe, all Asia, Philippines. Buy adorables.
Bye, big hugs and kiss all our adorables.
Bye.
Bye.